Here we have an introduction to solving inequalities. We're going to consider, in this introduction, finding the values of x for which 4x minus 1 over x plus 4 is less than 1. Many pupils, when faced with this problem, simply multiply both sides by x plus 4, giving 4x minus 1 is less than x plus 4. The problem with doing this, of course, is that the inequality sign can be affected by the sign of x plus 4. X plus 4 could well be negative, and if it is, that would affect the inequality sign. Just to demonstrate this, consider the statement 3 is greater than 2. This statement is obviously correct. However, if we multiply both sides by minus 1, we get minus 3 is greater than minus 2. And this is false. Minus 3, we know, is less than minus 2. So if we multiply or divide by a negative number when we have an inequality, we have to reverse the direction of the inequality sign. Most textbooks advocate a method by which you consider both cases, i.e. that x plus 4 is positive, in which case you can just multiply both sides, leaving the inequality sign as it is, and then consider the case when x plus 4 is negative. However, I advocate a different approach, as you'll see in the examples following this introduction. My approach is to always choose something to multiply by which is positive. If I do this, then I never have to worry about the direction of the inequality sign.